Are you tired of watching your WordPress site drag under the weight of slow page loads, bloated databases, or unoptimized images? Clients often face frustrating delays from inefficient caching, excessive server requests, and outdated browser performance, all chipping away at user satisfaction and search rankings. The solution is here with WP Speed of Light, a game-changing plugin designed to turbocharge your site's speed. Developed by JoomUnited, this powerful WordPress speed optimization tool tackles these issues head-on with a robust static cache system, resource minification, and automatic cleanup features. It goes further with advanced capabilities like cache preloading, image compression, and CDN integration, ensuring your site runs smoothly across all devices. Plus, it offers unlimited website support in a single membership, making it a global optimization powerhouse. Ready to see how it transforms your WordPress experience? Let's move to the next sequence to explore its full potential. Do you know the best part about Speed of Light is that you don't need to lift a finger? WP Speed of Light handles everything in the background. First, let's talk about the static file cache system. This feature generates lightweight HTML files from your dynamic pages, reducing database queries and speeding up load times. It runs automatically, ensuring every visit is swift without your intervention. Next, GZIP data compression kicks in, shrinking data sent to user server pages. Browsers for faster delivery. This process happens seamlessly, optimizing bandwidth usage effortlessly. The clean-on save does exactly as the name implies. Whenever you save a WordPress content, such as post or page, the plugin will automatically run a checkup and clean the excessive data to optimize your website. Imagine a busy coffee shop, where the barista is this plugin, prepares a standard coffee order ahead of time as a lightweight HTML file. This reduces the need to grind beans or brew fresh for every customer, cutting down database queries and speeding up load times. It runs automatically, ensuring every visit is swift without you stepping in, delighting customers with quick service. Then there's browser caching, which stores static content like images and CSS on users' devices, making subsequent page visits lightning fast. It activates automatically, enhancing repeat visitor experience without any manual setup. The plugin Files Group option consolidates CSS, JavaScript, and fonts into single files, minimizing HTTP requests. This too is automatic, streamlining resource loading for peak efficiency. Resources minification strips unnecessary code from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, reducing file sizes, all done behind the scenes for you. Specific mobile cache per device tailors cache for desktops, tablets, and phones, adjusting dynamically to improve mobile performance without your input. The expire headers sets a time limit on how long browsers and servers store cached files, like images or style sheets. By defining expiration dates, it instructs browsers to reuse these files instead of requesting them anew, slashing load times significantly. This automatic process reduces server strain, speeds up repeat visits, and boosts user satisfaction without any manual effort on your part. Next is the cache external scripts. This option optimizes third-party scripts. Think analytics tools or social media widgets by caching them locally on your server. Normally, these scripts fetch from external sources each time, slowing your site. WP Speed of Light caches them automatically, serving them faster while maintaining functionality. The benefit? It minimizes external dependencies, enhances page speed, and improves reliability, all handled effortlessly for you. Together, these features streamline your site's performance, giving you a smoother experience and better search engine rankings. Resources minification is the barista trimming extra froth from a latte, stripping unnecessary code from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to reduce file sizes, all done behind the scenes for you, ensuring a leaner, faster delivery. The Remove Query String feature cleans up URL parameters, boosting cache efficiency, while the Cache External Scripts option optimizes third-party scripts automatically. Options to disable WordPress features like REST API or emojis cut out unused bloat, all managed effortlessly by the plugin. Finally, The automatic cache clean feature refreshes cache on a schedule, after saves, or by user group. Again, fully automated to keep your site fresh. These hands-off optimizations/load times elevate user satisfaction and improve SEO rankings, giving your site a competitive edge. CDN, or Content Delivery Network, is a network of servers worldwide that store your site's static files, like images and CSS, closer to your visitors, reducing latency and speeding up load times. With WP Speed of Light, this powerful tool integrates seamlessly with major CDNs such as Cloudflare, Amazon CloudFront, CDN, KeyCDN, and others, ensuring your content reaches users faster no matter where they are. The best part? The process is fully automated, requiring minimal effort from you, while delivering a significant performance boost and improved user satisfaction. You can select your preferred CDN. Let's use Cloudflare as an example. Enter your CDN credentials, like your API key and zone ID, which you can obtain from your Cloudflare account under the API tokens area. This step links WP Speed of Light to your CDN, enabling automatic content distribution. The benefit? It offloads traffic from your server, enhancing reliability and scalability. Next, enable the automatic cache cleanup option specific to Cloudflare. This ensures that when you update your site, the CDN cache refreshes instantly, keeping content current without manual intervention. Save your settings and watch as your static files are distributed across CDN nodes globally. Test the result by loading your site from different locations using a tool like Google's PageSpeed Insights. You'll notice faster load times, especially for international visitors, thanks to localized content delivery. This automation saves you time, strengthens SEO by improving core web vitals, and elevates your site's global appeal. Speed Analysis is your diagnostic powerhouse, a feature that evaluates your site's performance by running detailed tests, much like a mechanic checking a car's engine. It integrates with Google's free speed test tool to measure metrics like first load time, time to start rendering, and the percentage of cached elements. To use it, open your WP Speed of Light dashboard, your optimization command center. The results appear in a comparison table, highlighting areas for improvement. This automatic process saves you time, provides actionable insights, and boosts SEO by optimizing core web vitals, ensuring your site ranks higher. Now, let's explore database queries. This feature acts like a librarian organizing a cluttered library, identifying and resolving performance bottlenecks caused by themes or plugins. Here, you'll find a speed test option to analyze query performance. The Pro add-on takes it further with automatic cleanup, removing junk like spam comments or post revisions on a set schedule. Enable this feature, and WP Speed of Light handles the cleanup without your input, keeping your database lean and fast. The benefit? Reduced load times, improved site responsiveness, and a smoother experience for visitors, all effortlessly managed for you. Test the impact by rerunning the speed analysis after cleanup. Watch as load times drop and user satisfaction soars, thanks to a healthier database. These tools empower you to maintain peak performance with minimal effort. And that's the incredible journey with WP Speed of Light, your ultimate WordPress speed solution. This powerful plugin transforms your site with a static file cache for swift loads, GZIP compression for faster delivery, browser caching for repeat visits, and file grouping with minification for peak efficiency. It offers mobile-tailored caching, automatic cleanup on save, CDN integration for global reach, expire headers for optimized caching, cache external scripts for third-party speed, speed analysis for performance insights, and database queries for a lean database, all working automatically to save you time and boost SEO. Plus, there's even more to explore with advanced features like image compression and font optimization in the Pro add-on. For pricing, the core plugin is $49, with 12 months of support and 3 GB of compression, unlocking deeper optimizations and top-notch assistance. These plans deliver unmatched value, enhancing user satisfaction and search rankings across all your websites. Ready to supercharge your site? Visit JoomUnited.com to get started and see the difference today.